I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Ball FighterZ using an easy method. This approach focuses on simplified controls, allowing you to jump right into the action and enjoy exciting battles. We will cover the core mechanics that make the game accessible, even for newcomers. You will learn how to perform impressive moves and combos with minimal effort, building a strong foundation for future mastery. Get ready to unleash powerful attacks and dominate the arena. Let's dive into auto combos, your go-to for quick offense. Simply pressing the light attack button repeatedly will unleash a powerful, pre-programmed combo. For different attack sequences, try the medium attack button. Special moves are also incredibly easy. Just hold a direction and press the special button. Experiment with various directions to discover a wide array of unique attacks and extend your pressure. Next, let's talk about movement and team support. Super Dash is your fast track to closing gaps, automatically homing in on your opponent. It's perfect for initiating attacks or continuing aerial pressure. Don't forget your teammates. Z-Assist lets you call one of your two allies to perform an attack or offer crucial defensive cover. Using Z-Assist wisely can create openings and extend your combos significantly. Now, let's put it all together for a simple, effective combo strategy. Begin your offense with a light auto combo for quick, reliable damage. As your opponent is airborne, follow up with a special move to extend the sequence. After a successful launcher, use Super Dash to continue your aerial assault. Practicing these straightforward techniques will quickly build a strong foundation for dominating your Dragon Ball FighterZ matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.